A lot of people think of the Royal College of Art as being paintbrushes and potter's wheels. 50 years ago, absolutely, that's all we were about. Over the last 10 years, we've realigned ourselves to be at the forefront of STEAM research and education, so that's science, technology, engineering, arts and maths. 10 years ago, the RCA had 800 students. Today we've got 3,000. That's an incredible growth trajectory, and our business processes to support that growth have largely relied upon supporting systems that were at hand, primarily email. We had 200 shared mailboxes. Some were obsolete but still live, some were monitored, some were not. What we needed was a cross-college enterprise platform, somewhere where a student could send a single email and behind the scenes it could be routed to whoever could help that student quickest. We're currently using IT service management, replacing our existing ticketing tool, but also we've adopted customer service management across all of our student-facing business areas. Using the virtual agent is key for us. We have students from 80 different countries all around the world. We can't support those students in their own time zone, so actually bringing in the virtual agent and giving them as close as possible access to support services as a human would give is just a game changer for us. The main stats coming out of performance analytics is to take up self-service. We started with a baseline of 0.5%. We set ourselves a target of 5% of tickets being logged by self-service after 1 year. After 4 months, we're at 14%, so more than double our target after 4 months. The other major targets is the time to fix, and we're routinely hitting 90% first time fix, and that's largely down to the fact that we're routing tickets correctly now. ServiceNow is our platform of choice from day one going forwards. We're only ever going to build on it and refine it and adopt a continual service improvement ethos. Whenever we get a new request or a new requirement come into technology, our first answer now is, can ServiceNow support this? And as of now, there hasn't been a time when the answer has been no to that question.